Yo, what up, guys? Easy Money. Another video. So we're finally getting these Fieros moved to the shop. That's what we're doing right now. So yeah, negative 25 right now. That's pretty exciting. But yeah, let's do this. All right, babe, ready? Hold it. All right, got the first one loaded. Oh yeah, look at that. She knows how to lock it down. All right, so we'll get this one to the shop real quick. Come back, get the Pride and Joy Indy edition. I think it's probably the first time this one's ever seen snow. It's been stuck in Vegas the last 20 years. Just drying out in the sun. So yeah, let's do this, baby. Let's do this. Oh, and I might be buying a third one this afternoon. There's a guy in town selling one. So yeah, let's do this. Another beautiful day in Montana. Fiero, boom, there it is, rear view. Alright, we're almost there. We're halfway to the shop with the first Fiero.
One down, one more to go.
Two more to go.
Oh,
Maybe. We'll see if I buy it or not, but yep. Let's do this. Alrighty guys, we made it to the shop. So I gotta move all this stuff out of the way for now. Eventually I'm gonna get a big shelving and do a double stack up this wall so I can stack a bunch of stuff. But Fieros are all gonna go right here. Let's just line them up. Yeah, I need to get this forward moved over a little bit. So let's do that. All right, got to get her unloaded. Alrighty guys, first one down, let's go get the next one. It's I'll show you. Alrighty guys, we've got the Indy loaded up. There she is. Headed back to the shop, gonna unload it real quick, and then I'm gonna go check out that third one at about 5:30. So yeah, let's do it. Ooh, look. Ooh, nice. Man, that was pretty slick. Anyways, let's do it. All right. Alright guys, went ahead and did it. Oh, and there's a dog. How's it going? There she is. Alrighty guys, there she is in all her glory. The guy said it ran about 6-7 months ago. I guess it was from a dealership. One of the guy that was owned a dealership fled or something, and they're just trying to sell the cars off, but battery and shit got stolen out of it. So yeah, that's it. Gonna get her on the trailer. The guy went and got the keys. So I guess originally the guy at the dealership was trying to sell it for $3,800. So he said it ran and drove, and he showed me pictures and stuff. So but we'll see. I'm just waiting. Alrighty guys, phone died while we were loading this one up, so, but got it to the shop. Here it is. Super stoked, can't wait to get this bad boy on the road. He said it ran about 8 months ago, so we'll see. I'm gonna come back in tomorrow and work on this thing. I got a battery and stuff already, see if I can get it cranked over. So those two in the back definitely need a lot more work. The red one I had cranked over, but then the starter started screeching, so I think I need a new starter in the red one. And then this one I haven't even tried to start. It'd been sitting for 20 years or so. So this I'm gonna pull spark plugs, put some transmission fluid in each cylinder, kind of let it sit for a while, let it soak up, because I don't want that to end up seizing or ruining something, because 20 years, I mean, those cylinders got to be dry. So yeah, that's it, they're here. So I'll have another video dropping after this one, getting this bad boy running. So that's gonna be the main focus, is this one, getting this one running, and then probably gonna focus on the red one, or I might go in between on these. I'm gonna slowly start to work, get cylinders lubed up, stuff like that, while I'm working on this. But this one will most likely be running before this one. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Peace.